You might see these gadgets have superpowers. The ability to emit beams of electromagnetic energy, the power to see through concrete and steel, and strong enough to make shock waves. These are the tools helping civil engineers combat America's mounting crisis of aging infrastructure.
So increasing the lifespan?
Increasing the lifespan.
Rutgers professor Dr. Frank Moon says that's the purpose of all this gear.
How do we maintain and preserve these bridges so that they can, instead of lasting 50 years or 75 years, maybe they last 100 years or 150 years?
Tools like Thumper.
Is that what we call the thumper?
Yes.
The system records sound waves to measure the bridge's structural integrity and load capacity.
So these are like electromagnetic technologies.
Dr. Nenad Gachunsky introduces me to the Rabbit. It's a diagnostic tool he likens to an MRI for bridges.
Those sources, they are inducing small impacts, and these sensors are measuring the response of concrete.
Bridges will always need to be visually inspected, looking for cracks or looking for corrosion. But tools like this drone can get to hard-to-reach places and see problems beneath the surface before they become bigger problems.
This bridge is solid. It's in good shape, but hundreds of other area bridges are in need of repair. The I-Team sifted through thousands of inspections for bridges in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. We found 420 bridges in New York are ranked structurally deficient on one or more of the ranked categories. 389 bridges in New Jersey, 329 in Connecticut.
Bridge condition nationally has improved from 15% of structurally deficient bridges 20 years ago to about 9%.
Deborah Knopman is a policy researcher at the RAND Corporation in Washington. She says taking a targeted approach to funding the nation's infrastructure is crucial.
If you say everything is broken, you're essentially saying there are no priorities.
Since 2011, we've seen about a $5 billion investment in bridges.
New Jersey Senator Vin Gopal is the chairman of the Senate Transportation Committee. He says what New Jersey needs most is qualified bridge inspectors.
While we spent a lot of money and invested a lot of money in our bridges, the state has not done a good job over the last 8 years filling positions of bridge inspectors.
And despite the superpowers of technology, these Rutgers researchers say these tools will never be a replacement for manual inspection, but in the long term could help save millions in tax dollars.
With these technologies, we can detect problems at much earlier stages. And as we develop technologies also for intervention, we can do much better.